Hey there. I want to show you DevBout, a hackathon platform I built using Request Network's payment infrastructure. The core of the platform is our custom smart contract that handles all hackathon operations, like creating them and then at the end of the day, distributing all the funds. All right, so let me walk you through the app flow basically. On the left side, we'll have a hackathon creator, and on the right side, we'll have our user. Test hackathon 2, for example. Don't mind the mistakes. And obviously, you can select your date ranges, the team sizes. The supported currencies are ETH and ERC20, and for ERC20, it's just FAU for now, but we can implement more than that. We'll set the status of the hackathon to open. The two funding types that we have mainly are either the crowdfunded by anybody practically, whether they are participating or not, and the fully funded one, which is fully funded by the creator. So for now, we'll create a crowdfunded one, and we'll create it. Here we use in-memory request to pass the money directly to the smart contract, which kind of acts as a escrow sort of thing, in which it holds the funds that were sent in at the creation of the hackathon, as well as any contributions made, that will then be distributed to the winners, which I can show actually as soon as this is done in the request scan. In this scenario here, what it asks us is to actually confirm creating an instance of this hackathon inside of our smart contracts state. There we go. This is done. Our hackathon is created, and if I go here, I should be able to see, yep, it's there. This is the latest request done, which should be paid. And this is what happened when we created our hackathon. So now as a user, let's say we wanted to join this hackathon. So we'll create a team, this team, and I'm just gonna get this description. And let's create a team. In this scenario again, we will try to connect to the contract to add this specific user's wallet as a participant, which will help us later on decide who gets to claim a prize from the hackathon. So now that's done. Now we have our team, and so now we should be able to submit. And so we'll create a submission here, the test project and the test description. We'll just put a fake link here and then a fake link here again, and let's submit it. Now we have our project submitted. We'll assume that there have been multiple teams, multiple submissions, so now we're gonna go to the judging phase. I skipped the ongoing phase as this is just a demo, but normally you would be having to go to the ongoing phase to be able to submit anything. So then now we are setting the state to the judging phase so that nobody can submit anything anymore, and that as the creator we are allowed to select a winner, which we'll do right away, and select the team, we'll confirm. And then in the hackathon state, we will update the participants' structures to be saying that they are specifically the winners. In this case, we only have one. And then update the state again to completed so that our winners can actually claim their prizes. There we go. I also would like to mention that whoever contributes also goes through the same scenario of having their requests created and then paid using request network, which would also let them able to get their receipts directly in the scan. And so in this scenario, let's just claim our prize. What happens in this scenario basically is that in the backend we create requests for the winners to streamline the process, and then take those payment references, give them to our smart contract, which will forward them to the correct proxy, whether it's the ERC21 if we are doing ERC20 hackathons, or the ETFI proxy one, which will do the same thing. So now we got paid, and to make sure, we can go to our contract, see the token transfers. As you can see, 100 of them have been transferred 18 seconds ago, as well as here on the scan we can see a request that is here and that was paid to our MetaMask here, which we can go here and see that we have our FAU. So I created another test hackathon just to show the contribution, and it works the same way as I described earlier. So I'll just go through it a bit fast. The requests are being created, they're being handled by Quest Network, and then the payment will be made to the smart contract, as I'll try to show in a second here. This is to be able to record the contribution as well. And that's done. Now we have our contribution here, and if we go back down here, we'll see that our contribution has been made here, as you can see. And our contribution has been recorded, as well as we can probably check here. Oh wait, no, I'm supposed to go back here. And yep, 50 seconds ago it was created and paid. So now what I would like to demonstrate is the case where you have more than one user in a team. So a user will send a request, then the team leader will have to approve it, and after that our user will have to confirm it so that they can actually approve this function, which will add also their wallet address as participants in the smart contract. After this is done, we'll try to submit another project, go through the same stuff of judging phase and then claiming. So I'll just skip all of that here. And so we're back here. We are able to claim our prize again as of earlier. As you can see here, I will only receive 0.1 instead of 0.2, which was the total prize. I will confirm this. I will be receiving my prize, and then after that the second prize will be sent to the second user. As soon as this is done, we can look at it again in our request scan. Confirmed, it is done. If we go back here, we'll see that it's in the paid state. we'll go back here, up. We'll see that there was something created 38 seconds ago. It's been created and paid, and if we go here for the other user, and let's just refresh. There you go. We'll go here. It has been created and it has been paid. So now we're in the profile page. You can see your general information, as in like your GitHub, maybe your Discord. So in the settings, you can see your bio and then some information about yourself that you want to set here. And since we're using Request Network, you can see that there's a form here to fill all the necessary informations so that you can get your invoices and receipts with the correct data that you would need in them. As well as here, you will be able to see all the hackathons that you have participated in, what prize money was in it, the winning team, things like that. And if you've made any contributions, you would see them here, and all the requests that you have created would also be here. And then in the teams, you would be able to see your teams, or if you have a pending join request, it would be here for you to actually accept it. And any active hackathons that you're involved in, and that is about it.